Many people think that quitting a job where they are mistreated will not harm their legal claims against their employers. But what if I told you that it is only in extreme cases that quitting is legally the same as being fired? There's a legal concept called constructive discharge, and understanding when it applies could make all the difference in your case against your employer. Here's the deal. The law recognized something called constructive discharge. In plain English, if your workplace becomes so unbearable that any reasonable person would quit, the law treats it as if you were fired. Yes, you read that right. You can quit and still pursue legal action, but only if it's extreme. So let me give you some real-world examples I've seen. You're facing relentless sexual harassment that HR ignores. You're experiencing ongoing discrimination that management won't address. You're being retaliated against for reporting wrongdoing. Your employer has stripped away all of your meaningful duties, or they've cut your hours so far that you're actually getting no paycheck at all. The law isn't blind to these tactics. Courts understand that sometimes quitting isn't really a choice. It's your only option to preserve your dignity and your mental health. So here's the key legal standard. Would a reasonable person in your situation feel forced to resign? If yes, you might have a constructive discharge case. But just because you feel uncomfortable or you think they're about to fire you doesn't mean that it's a constructive discharge. But here's the critical part. Document everything before you leave. Keep records of the intolerable conditions, your complaints to management or HR, their responses or lack thereof, and any retaliation you face. You might also consider changes to your job duties or pay. But before you make that decision to quit, your best bet might be to talk to an employment lawyer. A good lawyer can help you determine if you have the right evidence your situation is intolerable before you make a decision that could void your claims. Don't let employers force you out and think they're safe from consequences. Know your rights, document everything, and don't hesitate to seek legal counsel. I'm Cara Fontenot. Please like, share, and follow. You might need this in the future.